the stories that I love was told by an African grandfather to his son. He told his son, he said, when he went to the zoo, he noticed that there was an elephant tied in a cage beneath its head where it could clearly escape, and the only thing around its leg was a pink string. And he told his grandson, he said, when he was a baby elephant, he used to have a chain on his leg, and he would kick and he would kick and he would kick and we'd try to break free from this chain, but he couldn't break free. And when he got bigger as an elephant, they put a bigger chain, and he would kick and he would kick and he would try to break free, and he couldn't. And then when he became a full-grown elephant, they put the largest chains that they could find, and he would kick and he would kick and he would kick and he would try to break free, but he could not break free. Finally, he stopped trying to break free, and all they had to do was put a pink string around his leg. And he said, this is why this elephant is not trying to escape this cage, which is clearly too small for him, because the chain has moved from his leg to his mind. You see, this lesson of recognizing of why business is valuable to us in our church is to recognize that in so many different ways, we've had ministries, we've had organizations try to accomplish things, kicking and kicking and kicking against the chains of circumstances of financial limitations. But I believe business, when it is consecrated to God and submitted to His purpose, can be the very blessing that allows the elephant of the church and of the gospel to be able to spread across this world by breaking the chains of financial limitations, of making individuals self-supporting missionaries. When Paul was not supported by the tithe, this was the very time that he was tent making to generate revenue for himself so that he could go preach the gospel and support those who were with him. If this model was supporting one of the greatest apostles of all time, why could this model not be implemented today? Well, I believe it is because we have not seen the value of business. And so my encouragement is anyone considering the field of business, you don't have to risk going into some sort of obscure company that's going to use your talents for selfish gain. There is a place for business in God's work, and I believe if you feel that call to answer it, to go all the way, to be excellent, and to help the elephant of this message to break free from the financial chains that have held us back from spreading so rapidly so we can go home and see our Savior.
Hey guys, do you feel like God is calling you to start a ministry or to run a business, but you don't know where to start? You know, most businesses and ministries fail due to a lack of proper planning, finances, marketing, and more. Here at Wildwood, we offer a course that teaches you how both business and religion are one. It gives you the resources that you need to be effective wherever you are, and it combines theory with work experience to equip you to be a medical missionary, to run a business and a ministry wherever you are called by God to go. Go to our website at www.healthevangelism.com and look under the Ministry Management course to get more information. We hope that you respond to God's call for you, and we hope to see you here at Wildwood.